Syllables. The number of the vowel sounds heard in a word determines the number of syllables the word will have. All words have syllables. A syllable is a word, or a word segment, that is pronounced as single sound. A word might have 1, 2, or even more syllables. Some words are monosyllabic, or have one syllable. Example: cat, dog, fish, walk, blue. Some words are disyllabic, or have 2 syllables. Example: apple, orange, walking, pumpkin. Some words are polysyllabic, or have 3 or more syllables. Example: syllable, important, and excellent. Remember, each syllable contains only one vowel sound. This does not mean that a syllable can only contain one vowel. Often, 2 or more vowels are placed together to make one vowel sound. For example, bread has 2 vowels, and only E sound can be heard. Types of syllables. There are 6 types of syllables. Closed syllable. It ends in a consonant. The vowel before the final consonant has a short vowel sound. Example: bat, rabbit, pumpkin. Open syllable. It ends in a vowel. The final vowel has a long vowel sound. Example: no, she, I, fry. Vowel consonant T syllable. It is typically found at the end of the word. The final E is silent and makes the vowel before it produce a long sound. Example: name, complete, decide. Vowel team syllable. It has 2 vowels next to each other that together produce a new sound. Example: south, boat, explain. Consonant LE syllable. Usually, when L appears at the end of a word and is preceded by a consonant, the consonant plus LE form the final syllable. Example: table, little, handle. I-controlled syllable. It contains a vowel followed by the letter R. The R controls the vowel and changes the way it is pronounced. Example: car, bird, turtle. Let's practice. Tell what vowel sound you hear in each word. 2 are done for you. Heel, long E, ice, long I, only, long O, act, short, short A, pot, short O, use, long U.